I've been working with Ed's program expert coach community for only a few days, and before that, clients on automation, and I have just found such tremendous value in it. I actually had a conversation with Ed 2 days ago, um, and just the way he was able to drill down on things that I was unsure of or that I had kind of tried, but instead of just saying, "Hey, do this," or maybe we should do that, he just kept asking questions that led me to like an epiphany. And I just find such tremendous value in working with his programs. And I mean, that's really it. Like, I know there are tons of coaches out there, and like he even says it, like we get inundated with pitches and videos and whether it's YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, like we get hit all the time, and it feels before you start going on this journey like that is saturated because we get hit with it all the time. And I have fallen prey to some of these programs, and some of them were fine, some of them were okay, some of them were downright trash. But I have yet to find something that is so thorough and so valuable that I have found with clients on automation. And it because it really helps you develop, or not just clients on automation, but also the expert coach community, because it helps you develop your own sense of, yes, I belong here. Yeah, I'm ready to do this. At the same time that you're going to help and learn how to do that for your clients that you're helping to guide to their realization that they are already enough to do something awesome. There's no constant relearning and constantly picking things apart to get to where you can actually impact people's lives. So for that, I am tremendously grateful to Ed, and I cannot wait to finish this program and continue working with Ed and the awesome team. Thank you.